Welcome to AI Decoded. I'm Emma Clarke, and I'm thrilled to be your guide on this journey into one of the most transformative and fascinating technologies of our time, artificial intelligence. AI isn't just shaping industries and businesses, it's influencing the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us.
And I'm Michael Reynolds. Whether you're already an AI enthusiast, a tech professional looking to stay ahead of the curve, or just someone curious about the buzz surrounding AI, this podcast is for you. We're here to break down the complexities, demystify the jargon, and show you how AI is changing the world, one innovation at a time.
Our goal is simple: to make AI accessible and relatable for everyone. You don't need a PhD in computer science to understand this podcast. We'll take you through the basics, walk you through real-world applications, and explore what AI means for your career, your business, and your daily life. Retail is one of the most competitive industries, and AI is giving businesses a critical edge. From AI-powered recommendation engines to automated customer service and dynamic pricing, AI is fundamentally changing how people shop and how businesses sell.
Absolutely. According to a 2024 study by McKinsey, AI-powered retail strategies are expected to increase global retail revenues by $2.9 trillion by 2030. AI is not just about efficiency, it's about driving higher engagement, better personalization, and real-time business intelligence.
And in e-commerce, AI is behind the fastest-growing innovations in customer experience, including AI-generated product descriptions, personalized ads, and virtual shopping assistants. Let's explore how AI is transforming the industry. One of the most powerful applications of AI in retail is personalization. Consumers now expect brands to anticipate their needs before they even express them.
That's exactly what AI-powered recommendation engines do. These systems are designed to learn your preferences over time, whether it's based on past purchases, browsing history, or even subtle behavioral cues like dwell time on a page.
And there are actually different types of recommendation engines, right?
Yes, mainly two: collaborative filtering and content-based filtering. Collaborative filtering looks at patterns from users who behave like you. For example, people who bought X also bought Y. It's how Amazon's famous algorithm works.
Like a digital hive mind.
Exactly. Content-based filtering, on the other hand, focuses on the attributes of the items themselves. So if you liked a black leather jacket with silver zippers, the engine will find similar jackets, even if no one else bought them.
And many modern systems use a hybrid of both, right?
That's exactly what AI-powered recommendation engines do. Companies like Amazon, Netflix, and Spotify have perfected AI-driven personalization. Amazon's recommendation engine accounts for 35% of total sales, uses deep learning models to analyze browsing history, purchase patterns, and customer intent in real time. Personalized homepages and dynamic product recommendations increase conversions by 20 to 30%.
And it's not just in the US or Europe. Personalization is going global. Flipkart is India's largest online marketplace, owned by Walmart. Flipkart's AI engine uses regional language preferences, mobile behavior, and purchase intent signals to deliver hyper-personalized homepages. Leveraging machine translation models to serve regional audiences in Hindi, Tamil, and Kannada generated a 23% increase in conversion rates during festive campaigns and a 19% reduction in bounce rate for new users.
That's a perfect example of AI adapting to local context. And with over 1 billion potential customers in emerging markets, this kind of scalable, language-aware personalization is a game changer.
Fashion brands, grocery chains, and even electronics retailers are catching on too, using AI to create product bundles, tailored emails, and offers that feel like they were designed just for you. Zalando's AI-powered fashion recommendations analyzes visual cues from product photos, color, cut, silhouette, and combines that with customer history. Their algorithmic fashion companion helped increase cart size by 15% and boosted return customers by 22%.
And these tools aren't just about selling more, they're about creating emotional relevance at scale. In a world with infinite options, AI helps customers feel seen.
Dynamic pricing is another game changer. Retailers no longer rely on static price tags. AI dynamically adjusts prices based on demand, competitor pricing, inventory levels, and even time of day. Airlines and hotels use AI-driven pricing models to adjust fares and room rates in real time, leading to 10 to 15% revenue increases. Marriott's AI pricing tool analyzes thousands of variables, booking trends, weather, competitor pricing to set optimal room rates.
Exactly. Many companies now use reinforcement learning, a type of machine learning where an AI agent learns to make better pricing decisions over time by maximizing rewards, like revenue or customer retention. It's the same kind of system used in self-driving cars or game-playing AIs. Walmart's AI-powered pricing model uses AI to monitor 200 million transactions per day and adjust pricing dynamically. Increased revenue by 4.8% year over year by offering real-time discounts based on customer demand.
And outside the US, pricing AI is being used in grocery and convenience stores where margins are razor thin. Oxxo in Mexico, the Latin America's largest convenience store chain, with over 20,000 locations, implemented AI to automate pricing for over 3,000 SKUs using historical demand data, foot traffic trends, and weather patterns. The initiative produced a 12% improvement in inventory turnover and reduced manual pricing labor by over 60%.
That's a perfect lead-in to demand forecasting. AI models help predict what customers will want tomorrow, so businesses don't just respond to demand, they anticipate it.
These forecasting models use everything from real-time sales data to public events, influencer trends, and even traffic patterns. It's like giving merchandisers a sixth sense. The Chinese company JD.com uses AI to forecast demand at the SKU and city level with over 91% accuracy. The integration of social media sentiment, promotions, and weather data into its AI models resulted in a 30% reduction in unsold stock and faster inventory rotation in high-growth cities.
And once you know what people want and when, they need to make sure it's there. That's where inventory optimization comes in.
Inventory used to be a guessing game. Now, AI tracks trends in real time, predicts surges, and even suggests where to place inventory geographically to reduce shipping time. Mercado Libre, the equivalent of Amazon in Latin America, deployed AI to manage inventory flow across fulfillment centers in Brazil, Argentina, and Chile. AI models determine optimal item placement to reduce delivery time and lower carbon footprint, reducing shipping delays by 27% and increasing same-day delivery availability in key metros.
And some retailers go even further, using AI to guide automated replenishment. These systems trigger orders automatically when stock dips below a certain threshold, factoring in lead time and vendor behavior.
It's not just about automation, it's about precision. When AI connects pricing, forecasting, and supply chain management, retailers move from reactive to predictive to proactive.
And that's the competitive edge, especially in industries where being out of stock isn't just inconvenient, it's a lost customer.
AI-driven pricing ensures that customers see the most competitive prices while businesses maximize profit margins and inventory efficiency.
Retail success depends on having the right products in stock at the right time. AI-powered inventory management ensures optimal stock levels and prevents overstocking or stockouts. H&M's AI-powered inventory. Forecasting uses AI algorithms to predict demand weeks in advance and distribute stock accordingly. Reduced overstocking by 21% and improved inventory efficiency, cutting costs by $1 billion annually. AI in Amazon's fulfillment centers predicts real-time demand surges and relocates inventory across warehouses. It also enables same-day and next-day delivery by optimizing storage and order fulfillment.
The combination of AI-driven demand forecasting and real-time inventory tracking is making retail supply chains smarter, faster, and more cost-effective. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are now handling millions of customer inquiries, reducing human workload and improving response times. Sephora's AI chatbot offers personalized beauty recommendations and product suggestions, which increased online sales by 11% and improved customer satisfaction by 20%. H&M's AI virtual stylist helps customers find outfit combinations based on their wardrobe history and boosted conversion rates by 19% and improved customer retention.
Retailers using AI-powered voice and chatbot assistants report up to 70% reduction in customer service costs while improving customer experience.
Michael, I still find it wild that AI can write product descriptions, ads, emails, even entire campaigns. But the real question is, how do retailers scale this without losing quality?
That's where things get interesting. Content generation isn't just about plugging text into a GPT model anymore. Leading retailers are building specialized pipelines, some using fine-tuned models, others combining multiple AI tools into automated content workflows.
Let's back up a second. GPT models, like OpenAI's GPT-4, are general purpose, right?
Exactly, they're trained on broad datasets like books, websites, and social content. That's great for general writing, but for retail, accuracy, tone, and product specificity are critical. You don't want an AI writing, "This is the best hairdryer," if it's describing a shampoo.
Right, and that's where fine-tuned retail models come in.
Correct. Platforms like View.ai, Hypotenuse AI, and Phrasee are training AI models specifically on brand tone, product specs, and conversion-optimized copy. They can generate thousands of listings, localized headlines, or even A/B test ad creatives automatically. View.ai's retail content engine is used by global retailers like Diesel and Mercado Libre to create style-specific product descriptions. It combines computer vision, analyzing product images, with language models trained on prior descriptions. The result: 80% faster content generation, 24% increase in organic traffic due to consistent metadata tagging and SEO alignment.
And this isn't just for product listings. What about ad creatives?
Tools like CopyMonkey, Okoya, and Meta's own Advantage Plus system can now auto-generate, test, and optimize thousands of ad variants across channels: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, even WhatsApp. AI generates the copy, selects visuals, and optimizes for engagement, all in minutes. The apparel brand DTC used Okoya's multilingual creative engine to create dynamic social campaigns for 20 product lines across 7 languages. AI adjusted tone by market: playful in Germany, elegant in France, bold in the US, reduced campaign production time by 76%, and increased ROAS, return on ad spend, by 3.2 times.
What blows my mind is how fast it happens. A human team would take weeks to do what AI does in a day.
And the quality's improving fast. Retailers are now layering AI with human QA. Think of it like editorial air traffic control. AI drafts content, human editors review only outliers flagged for tone or factual accuracy.
Kind of like working with an army of junior copywriters that never sleep.
Exactly. And here's where it gets even smarter. Retailers are training models to write for SEO, personalize based on segment, and even match brand storytelling frameworks. Watson's Asia trained an internal AI on historical best-performing blog content, product metadata, and customer search behavior, generating articles, social captions, and on-site banners adapted by region, and achieving a 41% boost in non-paid search traffic across 5 markets in Southeast Asia.
And what about generative visuals? Can we go beyond just copy?
Absolutely. Tools like Pebbly and Stylytics use AI to create on-brand product visuals. You give the AI a raw product image, say a shoe, and it places it in a lifestyle scene, aligns the lighting, and formats it for different platforms. Retailers are using AI to dynamically generate email headers, homepage banners, and in-app visuals based on user behavior. Platforms like Movio.la even generate synthetic spokesperson videos with voiceovers to launch new collections at scale.
So we're not just automating content, we're reshaping retail's entire creative process.
And doing it across dozens of regions, formats, and platforms, with consistency and speed. The future of retail marketing isn't just about being creative. It's about being computationally creative.
Okay, we've seen how AI is transforming the online experience, but what about physical stores? Are brick-and-mortar retailers keeping up?
They absolutely are. And some of the biggest breakthroughs are happening in-store. Physical retail is being reinvented with AI. Computer vision, edge computing, and smart checkout systems are turning shopping into a frictionless experience.
I tried Amazon Go in New York last year. I just walked in, picked up my groceries, and walked out. No lines, no scanning. It felt like magic.
That's powered by a full-stack AI system. Amazon calls it Just Walk Out technology. It uses computer vision, deep learning, and sensor fusion to track what customers take off shelves in real time. No barcodes, no human intervention. Amazon Go, AI-powered checkout-free shopping, uses hundreds of ceiling-mounted cameras combined with computer vision to identify each customer and the products they pick. Sensors on shelves detect changes in weight to confirm item removal. Backend algorithms reconcile visual data with product selection, charging the customer's Amazon account automatically. The result, 50% faster shopping experience, reduced staffing costs, and increased store traffic by 15% in key urban locations.
And now other retailers are following suit, right?
Exactly. Companies like Trigo in Europe and Standard AI in the US are helping traditional retailers retrofit stores with similar capabilities. Even Tesco in London piloted a fully autonomous store using Trigo's platform. Tesco leveraged Trigo's computer vision tech for autonomous checkout in a Tesco Express store, achieved 70% reduction in average queue time, and increased basket size by 18%. Privacy-first architecture. Customers are tracked anonymously without facial recognition.
That's huge for customer convenience, but it also opens doors for more efficient operations, right?
Yes, in-store edge AI devices analyze foot traffic, predict peak hours, and even manage digital signage dynamically. Grocery chains like Carrefour use AI-powered shelf-scanning robots to monitor stock levels and plan restocking routes. Carrefour's Tally robot by Simbe Robotics uses computer vision and edge AI to scan shelves 3 times per day, detects out-of-stock, misplaced, or incorrectly priced items, increased on-shelf availability by 96%, and saved approximately 33 hours of manual labor per store per week.
It's like every shelf becomes intelligent. And all of this links to the bigger picture, the omnichannel experience.
Right. AI enables real-time synchronization between in-store and online inventory, giving customers accurate stock visibility. Zara, for example, integrated AI to track inventory in more than 2,200 stores globally, connecting them to their app and online store. Zara's omnichannel AI strategy uses radio frequency identification, a technology that uses electromagnetic fields to automatically identify and track tags attached to objects that can be read without a line of sight. Unlike barcodes, RFID plus AI combo enables real-time inventory management across physical and digital platforms, boosting fulfillment speed for click-and-collect orders by 35% and reducing lost sales from out-of-stock items by 14%.
And that's what today's shoppers expect. Whether they're on their couch or in a store aisle, they want it fast, personalized, and seamless.
And AI is what makes that level of orchestration possible.
We've talked about personalized shopping and inventory, but let's switch gears to something visual. Fashion retail is one area where AI really gets creative, literally.
Exactly. Fashion is a perfect playground for AI, especially with the rise of visual search, generative adversarial networks, GANs, and even augmented reality, AR fitting rooms.
Let's start with visual search. You ever take a photo of something you saw on the street and wished a store could find it for you?
That's what visual search does. Platforms like Pinterest Lens and Amazon Style Snap use computer vision to analyze an image and match it with similar products from their catalogs. Visual Discovery Engine allows users to search for fashion, furniture, and decor using photos instead of keywords. Uses computer vision to detect objects, textures, and color palettes in real time. Led to a 140% increase in visual search queries from Gen Z users and increased ad engagement by 25%. Amazon Style Snap, integrated into Amazon's mobile app, allows customers to upload images of outfits. Deep learning algorithms extract clothing attributes, sleeve length, neckline, pattern, and return similar shoppable items. The result, higher session length and improved customer retention among fashion shoppers.
So instead of typing blue floral maxi dress with ruffles, you just snap a photo and boom, AI finds it for you.
Exactly. And on the creation side, fashion brands are now using generative adversarial networks, GANs, to actually design new outfits.
JANs, that's when one AI creates and another one critiques it, right?
Right? A generator creates images, like clothing styles, and a discriminator tries to tell if they're fake or real. The two compete, improving over time. In fashion, this means AI can generate entire clothing lines based on trends, seasons, or even mood boards. Stitch Fix's AI-generated designs used GANs to generate clothing prototypes based on customer preferences and feedback, reduced design-to-market time by 30%, and increased first-time approval rates from 40% to 67%.
So AI's not replacing designers. It's supercharging them. That's powerful.
Exactly. Now pair that with augmented reality AR, and you've got AI-powered try-on experiences.
Oh, like the smart mirrors in fitting rooms?
Yes, or even smartphone apps. Brands like L'Oreal, Gucci, and Warby Parker use AR to let customers try on makeup, sunglasses, or clothes virtually before buying. New words, L'Oreal, virtual makeup. Try on, Modiface, uses AR and face tracking AI to simulate lipstick, eyeshadow, and foundation in real time. Embedded into brand sites and social platforms like Instagram and YouTube, achieved a 300% increase in time spent on product pages and a 2.5 times boost in conversion rates. Gucci launched digital-only sneakers for try-on and purchase through their app, combined AR and blockchain to create fashion collectibles. The app reached 1.8 million app downloads in 2 months and generated new revenue via virtual goods.
This is blending tech with identity, style, and experience. AI is literally shaping how we express ourselves.
And consumers are responding. Brands that invest in these kinds of tools are seeing measurable ROI. Conversion rates go up, returns go down, and customers stay loyal.
Fashion was always emotional. Now it's predictive, interactive, and personal too. Powered by AI, but made for humans. Michael, one thing I find amazing is how accurately some brands know what I want before I even do. Like, I'll look at shoes once and suddenly get the perfect match in an ad 2 days later.
That's not coincidence. That's predictive analytics, and it's one of AI's most powerful tools in retail. It's how companies forecast customer behavior, what you'll buy, when you might leave, and even how much you're worth to them long-term.
Okay, let's break that down. How does it actually work?
Retailers use AI models trained on massive data sets, purchase history, browsing patterns, social media activity, and even email engagement. One of the core models is called Customer Lifetime Value, CLV.
Right, that is how much a customer is expected to spend during their relationship with a brand.
Exactly. AI predicts customer lifetime value using machine learning models like gradient boosting or logistic regression, analyzing variables such as purchase frequency, time between orders, and average order value. These predictions help retailers prioritize high-value customers with better service and targeted offers. Sephora's predictive model uses machine learning to predict each customer's lifetime value based on transaction behavior, product reviews, and loyalty activity. High CLV customers receive early access, premium samples, and personalized outreach, resulting in a 20% increase in retention and a 12% lift in high-tier loyalty membership.
So brands treat customers differently based on predictive data, like a digital VIP section.
That's where recency frequency monetary segmentation, RFM, comes in. It's a classic model, but now powered by AI. Recency is when you last bought something, frequency is how often, and monetary is how much you spend.
And AI can slice and dice that in real time?
Exactly. Platforms like Salesforce Einstein and Insider use AI to create real-time microsegments, like high-frequency, low-monetary spenders or inactive VIPs, and trigger automated campaigns accordingly. Insider's predictive segmentation for direct-to-consumer (DTC) brands use Insider's AI to track RFM scores in real time. Sending personalized messages via SMS, email, and push notifications reduced churn by 17% and increased repeat purchase by 28% for fashion and skincare brands.
And speaking of churn, how do companies know when I'm about to break up with them?
That's where churn prediction comes in. AI uses historical data to flag at-risk customers. It could be a drop in app engagement, abandoned carts, or long gaps between purchases. The AI assigns a churn probability score. Adobe Sensei uses AI to combine clickstream data, customer sentiment, and purchase history, flags users with greater than 70% churn risk, and triggers win-back workflows automatically, reducing average churn by 18% across Adobe Commerce retail partners.
So it's like a breakup radar. And brands use it to say, hey, we miss you. Here's 15% off.
Exactly, and with AI, this happens automatically. No manual targeting needed. The system learns and optimizes on the fly.
And when this is all connected, customer lifetime value, churn, RFM, it's like every shopper gets their own version of the store.
That's the power of predictive AI in retail. It's not just automation, it's precision strategy.
Okay, Michael, now let's talk about the really exciting stuff. What's coming next? We've covered recommendation engines, supply chains, and AI stylists. But what's the future of retail going to feel like?
Get ready for a mix of synthetic media, multimodal AI, and shopping experiences that blur the lines between digital and physical. It's not just about browsing online anymore, it's about stepping into fully immersive AI-curated brand worlds.
Ooh, I love that. Paint me a picture.
Picture this. You walk into a store or join a live stream from your phone and are greeted by a digital brand ambassador who knows your name, style, size, past purchases, and mood. That ambassador might not even be human. It could be a synthetic influencer powered by generative AI. Prada is partnering with Soul Machines, a company that creates AI avatars with human-like facial expressions. These avatars interact via voice and respond in real time to user emotions and feedback. The goal is to provide a personalized stylist experience across both online and in-store retail channels. A digital stylist with attitude and perfect recall? That's wild and kind of amazing. And it's powered by multimodal AI that can process and generate across different types of inputs: voice, vision, text, even gestures.
Right. So not just Alexa, find me a dress, but actually pointing your phone at an outfit, saying, I want this in red, and it's showing up in AR, augmented reality, on your screen?
Exactly. That's already being piloted by companies like Zara and Snapchat's camera kit for AR commerce. The goal is to make shopping feel like magic, context-aware, visual, and real-time. Snapchat integrated Snapchat's AR try-on tools into Puma's mobile shopping experience. Shoppers could view sneakers in 3D on their feet using their phone camera, and the engagement doubled and conversion rates increased by 25% during campaign periods.
And let's not forget the world of synthetic influencers. Lil Miquela, anyone?
Yep, Lil Miquela, a digital-only influencer with millions of followers, has already partnered with Prada, Calvin Klein, and Samsung. These virtual personalities are fully managed by brands or agencies and are being used to test products, run campaigns, and even host virtual events. Calvin Klein x Lil Miquela campaign generated over 80 million impressions in 10 days. Engagement levels rivaled those of top-tier human influencers. Brands used AI to monitor response sentiment and adapt campaign messaging in real time.
That's some Black Mirror-level marketing, but it works.
And the next wave? Think ambient commerce. That's where smart homes, connected devices, and voice assistants predict what you need and order it automatically.
So like my fridge reordering almond milk before I realize I'm out?
Exactly. And platforms like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Samsung SmartThings are already integrating retail functionality into smart homes. Combine that with predictive AI models, and you've got truly autonomous shopping.
Wow, this makes online carts feel so old school.
And it's going further with autonomous agents, AI bots that make decisions, negotiate deals, and shop on your behalf based on preset rules. Experimental platforms like Fetch.ai and Cartcan are building decentralized AI agents that can search, compare, and purchase across platforms. These agents learn user preferences and optimize decisions for budget, speed, and ethics. Future retail could involve bots negotiating limited drops or even bidding in real time for digital assets.
Shopping agents, AR dressing rooms, digital stylists. This is like something out of a sci-fi novel.
And yet it's all real and already happening. The future of retail is immersive, predictive, and increasingly autonomous. The only limit now is customer trust and adoption.
And bandwidth, because I want all of this like yesterday.
Same here, but don't worry. AI's just getting warmed up.
Wow, from predictive pricing to AR try-ons, we've covered a massive amount of ground today.
We really have. And what's exciting is how much of this technology is no longer theoretical. AI in retail is here, it's scaling fast, and it's changing the entire value chain, from supply chains to storefronts.
So here's our challenge to you, listeners. Whether you're a startup founder, retail exec, data scientist, or curious shopper, what's one area where you can start integrating AI?
Maybe it's automating support tickets, maybe it's testing out a product description tool, or maybe it's just learning more about customer behavior using AI dashboards. The best part? There are tools for every budget, every size, and every level of technical skill. And the more data you collect responsibly today, the smarter your AI strategy becomes tomorrow.
We hope this episode gave you a clear, practical, and maybe even inspiring view of what's possible.
If you enjoyed today's episode, make sure to subscribe so you never miss an update. And if you found value in our discussion, Share it with friends, colleagues, or anyone curious about the impact of AI. Spreading awareness is one of the most powerful ways to create a better understanding of this transformative technology.
Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep decoding AI. This is Emma Clarke
And Michael Reynolds, signing off from AI Decoded. See you next time.